Welcome. If you manage a Telegram channel and need to remove a contact or subscriber, the process is quick and straightforward. Whether you're cleaning up your channel or managing your audience, here's the latest method to remove someone from your Telegram channel as of 2025. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have the necessary admin rights for the channel you want to manage. Once you're in the app, navigate to your channel from the chat list or the sidebar. Next, tap on the channel's name at the very top of the screen. This will open the channel's profile page, where you can access all the details and settings related to your channel. On this page, look for the option labeled Subscribers. Tap on it to see the full list of people who are currently subscribed to your channel. Scroll through the list or use the search function at the top to quickly find the contact you wish to remove. Once you've located the person, look for the 3 dots next to their name. On most devices, these 3 dots will be on the right side of the subscriber's entry. Tap the 3 dots, and a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Remove from Channel. Confirm your choice if prompted. That's it. The selected contact will be immediately removed from your channel and will no longer have access to its content. This method works across both iPhone and Android devices, with only minor differences in how the menus might look. Remember, only admins have the ability to remove subscribers, so make sure you have the right permissions before you start. Managing your Telegram channel's audience is essential for keeping your community active and relevant. By following these steps, you can easily remove any unwanted or inactive subscribers and keep your channel running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck managing your Telegram community.